So today we're going to remove this defective intake rubber hose here, and along with it this plastic box underneath here. Excuse the vehicle noise. The intake resonator, this plastic box here, right down in here. So we'll grab some tools and get to it. So here's the offending piece, and as you can see, the hose on there has split, which is why I need to put on this nice new one here. So I have to transfer these cable clamps to this valve control assembly here, the VSV valve I believe, and a couple of these spring clips to the new unit here. So we'll do that next. Okay, this is what it looks like when you've installed a new one. Hopefully the same as when I took out the old one. I couldn't quite line up this notch here with that, but I've got this worm gear clamp, or tight, it's not a worm gear clamp, but this double wire clamp tightened, so I'm not too worried. That one's done up, and there's the new hose. It's got a little oil on it because I was using some lubricant to get this plastic pin here to go back through the rubber. That was not fun till I put some oil around it, then it just slipped right in. And also this 10mm here, leave this loose till you're just about ready to do everything up, or you have a heck of a time getting this clamp on. And of course you don't want to forget these clamps here that bolt on these funny places. Okay, so now all it is to start up, make sure it runs, reset the check engine code, and see if we fixed the problem or not.